Rethinking lead generation. Innovative strategies for generating leads in email marketing. Traditional B2B email marketing often struggles with low engagement and wasted resources. AnyBiz.io revolutionizes lead generation with AI-driven, targeted strategies, delivering smarter connections and better results. Reverse targeting shifts email marketing from a broad, wasteful approach to a focused strategy that prioritizes quality over quantity. By targeting prospects most likely to engage and convert, businesses achieve higher response rates and stronger connections. AnyBiz empowers this strategy with AI-driven insights, identifying leads with high buying intent and readiness. Its personalized outreach ensures meaningful interactions, optimizing resources and building genuine relationships. With reverse targeting and AnyBiz, lead generation becomes smarter, more efficient, and growth-focused. Relying solely on an ideal customer profile, ICP, can limit opportunities. Broadening your approach to target adjacent markets and experimenting with messaging uncovers untapped prospects, diversifies revenue, and drives growth. AnyBiz.io uses AI-driven insights to go beyond rigid ICPs, identifying behavioral patterns and signals to capture leads in adjacent markets. Its adaptable platform allows businesses to test broader strategies, optimize engagement, and uncover untapped opportunities, driving growth with precision and flexibility. Traditional funnels assume a rigid, linear journey that doesn't match real-world buying behavior. The anti-funnel approach focuses on personalized, adaptable touchpoints that meet prospects where they are, fostering deeper engagement and trust. By tailoring each interaction to a lead's unique context, this strategy drives qualified leads more effectively, embracing the complexity of B2B buying cycles. AnyBiz.io uses AI-driven personalization to adapt outreach based on real-time engagement, replacing rigid funnels with flexible, responsive strategies. By meeting leads where they are and delivering targeted messaging, AnyBiz fosters natural, effective conversions. Subtle psychological triggers like reciprocity, social proof, and authority are key to driving conversions in B2B email marketing. Offering value first, showcasing success stories, and demonstrating expertise build trust and credibility. By understanding lead motivations and aligning messages with these principles, marketers can foster deeper connections and boost engagement. AnyBiz uses AI to dynamically apply psychological triggers like reciprocity, social proof, and authority. By tailoring messages to each lead's behavior, it delivers personalized, trust-building content that drives engagement and conversions, turning emails into relationship-building tools. Real-time and predictive analytics transform email marketing by tailoring outreach to lead behavior. AnyBiz.io uses these insights to optimize timing, content, and channels, enabling precise, personalized strategies that drive higher quality leads and stronger engagement. AI revolutionizes email marketing by enabling deep personalization, smart timing, and multi-channel outreach. Platforms like AnyBiz.io analyze lead behavior to craft tailored, timely messages, automating and optimizing the lead generation process for better engagement and conversions. Don't miss out on our updates. Show your support by liking and subscribing to stay tuned.